Hello students, hope you all are with good health. In last video, you have learnt about the cleanliness and rest. Today we will discuss about the diseases and types of diseases. Firstly, what is disease? The condition due to which part of our body or full body unable to do work properly is called disease. The two main types of diseases are communicable diseases and non-communicable diseases. Let us discuss about non-communicable diseases. The diseases that do not transfer or spread from one person to another are called non-communicable diseases. Since these diseases do not spread, then how they caused? These are mainly caused due to the lack of food components. For example, scurvy is a disease that is caused due to deficiency of vitamin C. Since non-communicable diseases are caused due to the lack of components, so they are also called deficiency diseases. A person who suffers from lack of components over a long period of time is said to be in the state of malnutrition. The questions from this content are: define the term disease. Second, name two main types of diseases. Third, what do you mean by non-communicable diseases? And last is, what is malnutrition? Let us discuss the table of diseases and how they caused, their symptoms and sources of components. Symptoms means indication of existence of something. First is night blindness. It is caused due to the deficiency of vitamin A. Its symptom is that person is unable to see clearly in dim light, and this disease is cured by overcoming the deficiency of vitamin A. This can be done by eating green leaf vegetables, carrots, and taking milk. Second is beriberi. This disease is caused due to the deficiency of vitamin B. The symptoms of this are: person get problem in digestion and can be cured by taking milk, eggs, cereals, and green leafy vegetables. Third is scurvy. It is caused due to the deficiency of vitamin C. Its symptoms are bleeding and swollen gums. Gums are the part around the base of your teeth. It can be cured by taking amla, oranges, and lemons. Fourth is rickets. This disease is caused due to the deficiency of vitamin D. The symptoms of rickets are softening and bending of bones. It is cured by overcoming the deficiency of vitamin D by taking milk and milk products. Fifth is anemia. It is caused due to the deficiency of iron. Its symptoms are weakness, lethargy, dark circles around eyes, loss of appetite. Lethargy means lack of energy and appetite means hunger. And it can be cured by eating green leafy vegetables and meat. Sixth is goitre. It is caused due to deficiency of iodine. Its symptoms are swollen gland in the neck, improve growth, and is cured by taking seafood and salt. Last is weak bones and teeth. It is caused due to deficiency of calcium and phosphorus. The symptoms of this disease are unhealthy teeth and weak bones. This can be cured by overcoming the deficiency of calcium and phosphorus by taking milk and green leafy vegetables. Further, what is allergy? When a person exposed to dust and is sensitive to certain food and animals, then they suffer from sneezing, coughing, and rashes. This sensitivity is called allergy. As lack of components is not good for our health, similarly, excess of components is also bad. For example, excess intake of fatty foods can cause obesity. The questions from the given table can be: name the non-communicable diseases. Second, mention any 3 non-communicable diseases, their causes, symptoms, and sources of curing in tabular form. Third, what do you mean by allergy? And last is, how is obesity caused? Now, let us discuss the spell bee words from today's content. Communicable, scurvy, deficiency, malnutrition, symptoms, blindness, beriberi, rickets, anemia, goitre, sensitive, allergy, and obesity. This is all about non-communicable diseases. Hope you all understand today's video. In next video, we will discuss about communicable diseases. Thanks.